Good morning, Massachusetts. Today we're out in Littleton, and this is a beautiful ranch. You can't see much of it now, but you will see it later. This home needs a complete plywood redecking, as you can see. When we looked in the attic, there were lots of spaces in the decking. So what we need to do is complete redeck. And oftentimes people will ask us, should I put all new plywood or should we put spacers in between? Always best to go with new plywood redecking. This is going to be a 50-year roof, so why not get the best protection you possibly can. But here's an idea of how well we protect the side of your home. As you can see, the bushes, the sidewalk as well, that's going to be protected as well. Let's take a look around here and let's go and see what we're doing with the back of the home. This here is an idea of what we're doing also to the decking. So if you take a look, you can see the decking behind me. That's all brand new, so it's completely protected. As you can see, the rails are protected. The side of the home is protected. Let's get a closer look. Also behind me, you're gonna see that our guys are actually taking the shingles and sending them up and over. That way the deck won't get ruined, but the deck is completely protected. Let's do a few videos and see how this video comes out today. So we're about halfway done this project. If you guys look behind me, you can see we have synthetic felt in the feel of the roof. We've got 6 feet of ice and water protection, new drip edge metal. These are starter shingles right here. We want to always use those around the entire perimeter of the roof. Take a look at this as well. We have we always paint our pipe boots and our pipes. So if you look behind me, right there, you will see that pipe used to be white. So we paint that black, and then we paint the boot as well to match the roof. So it looks really good. It's a black shingle. It's actually charcoal GAF. This roof here had an entire plywood redecking, as I mentioned earlier. So far so good. If you notice the ridge line here as well, we've done a cutout so the ridge vent will actually work. Like I said, so far so good. This roof is coming out great. We're also going to be leading the chimney, which should be done every time on every job. If it takes a pretty large chimney, you take a quick look. That'll have all new lead, and you guys will see the final product. All right, so if you look closely, what you're gonna see here is ice and water protection towards the back, step flashing, and then you'll see the lead right there. And that's actually been nailed in the very corner. He also uses this piece of wood right here to kind of push it in, make it solid. So that's what the lead flashing on a chimney looks like. Should be 3 layers. If you see the way he's inserting the lead in there, we've grinded that in with a grinding wheel. And then what he's gonna do is he's gonna press that down, and then he's gonna hit it with the wood. So right there, right down there, get it in nice and solid, good looking, and then he's going to put 2 nails in that corner. Just going to give that a little cut so it'll turn. Give that a cut there, and that. And then this corner right here will get a nail as well, just like the last one did. So that's how we do our chimneys. Also, this is our ridge vent, nice and beautiful and straight, just the way it should be. If you look at the courses of the shingles themselves, nice and straight, really good looking. We put in a brand new bathroom vent. Really didn't need one, but we thought it would look good just to match up everything nice. And then you'll see here is our bathroom pipe, and that's all painted black to match the charcoal shingle. This is a GAF job today, personally requested by the customer for GAF. We'll be putting a ridge vent on this dormer as well. So we're finally wrapped up with the Littleton job. Came out awesome, thumbs up. Take a look at how nice this ridge vent came out on this side, nice and straight. All these shingles are wrapped in properly. Let's take a look at the chimney flashing. The lead is absolutely beautiful. Behind the lead, we have the ice and water protection. We have the step flashing, and look at how nicely we got this lead in. We cut it into the chimney, tucked it in, caulked it, nailed it in. Beautiful. Let's take a look at this side, guys. Right here, look at how nice that is. And now we're gonna hop up to the second part of the chimney. So just follow me. Look at that, how beautiful. Again, tucked into the chimney, we've grinded that in, beautifully layered in, caulked in here as well. Let's take a look at now how beautiful this ridge vent is. Nice and straight, just the way we want it. Beautiful all the way down. All these shingles are racked in properly. You don't see anything going up or down. It's nice and straight. Over here we have a ridge cap shingle. No ridge vent here, just a ridge cap shingle. Looking really good. Nice and cut right here. This is the line you want to see. A nice cut line. You don't want them to weave in because they'll begin to move with expansion and contraction. So we cut them like this so it can flex. One last thing I want to show you guys is over here, we have that new vent that I showed you. That's their bathroom vent. This is the other vent, all painted black to look beautiful. And then if you look off in the distance, you'll see the Trinity Roofing Dove. And what does he say? Protect your nest.